Everyone, Andrew at Johnson RV here in Sandy, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2018 Forest River 3251. It's a bunk model. It's on the E450 chassis, has a 7,500 pound hitch on it. We'll start over here in the front corner. This is where your propane tank is, as well as the propane fill. Outside electric, little storage right here. Has a nice awning here on the side of the coach with a lighting strip, as well as speakers on the end of the awning that kind of projects the music down while you're hanging out outside. This is solar ready. You can hook up a little solar panel there. A little bit of storage here. Now this slide on this side is where the bunks are, which we'll see when we go inside. Size storage here, and then back here we have some storage that is passed through to the other side. And coming around back, you have your ladder for roof maintenance, nice big window in the back, your backup camera up there at the top, rear LED lighting so you'll be nice and bright while you're driving down the road. Here's the other side of the pass-through storage, as well as your shore power cord hookup. Your service center right here, and your city water connection with your gray and your black dump. And hot water heater. Another little storage area there. Like more storage, and then this is where your generator is going to be. It's the Onan 4,000 watt generator. So that's the outside. Why don't you come on inside and we'll take a look. Andrew at Johnson RV again. Now we're inside this 3251 Forest River Forester. I'll kind of show you around. Up here we have the standard Ford chassis amenities, Sony infotainment system. You know, you have cruise control. Your backup camera will appear right there. You know, lots of nice storage there in between the seats. We have the bunk up here. It's a 440 pound capacity bunk. It also comes with this netting that you can hook up to keep the kids from rolling out of the bunk, which is a nice feature. You know, you have a nice sized TV that will swing out so it can be viewed from the rest of the coach. Coming on over here, we have some nice deep overhead cabinets. A couple different ways to get in there. You have a jackknife sofa, which is also a recliner with the 2 seat belts. Coming into the kitchen, you have your Furrion oven and 3-burner cooktop, as well as your microwave. Nice overhead storage there. Have a flip-up countertop to give you a little extra space for prep. Nice big round stainless steel sink with a high faucet, which is nice. Coming back kind of into the bedroom area, you have another little TV and stereo for the bunk area. A little bit of storage above and below that. And back here we have a couple of bunks. These are really cool. The bottom is actually a sofa, which will convert to a sleeping space, and it actually has 2 seat belts back there, so this coach will belt 8 people, which is nice. And then you have your bunk up here, which also flips up to get it out of the way if you need a little more headroom underneath. And then opposite of that is the bathroom. Good sized bathroom, has a lot of storage, also quite a bit of counter space, and a good sized shower. It's nice light and bright with the skylight there. When we come back into the bedroom, we have a walk around queen bed, a couple wardrobes on either side of the bed, and then as well as some overhead storage, and then kind of side storage underneath the nightstands. And at the foot of the bed we have nice large wardrobe storage, lots of places for all your clothes. There's hookups in here, so you can put a TV right here as well. Good, lots of storage throughout. Come back up here, kind of finish off the other side of the kitchen. Have a Dometic fridge freezer combo. Both are separate. You have your control center up here, and then a little bit of storage above the fridge freezer. So again, this is a Forest River Forester 3251. It's a bunk model. If you have any questions about this model or anything else on our lot, please give us a call. Our number is 503-668-5400. Thanks for watching.